Well, meron pa po tayo mga 350, more or less.
Dami yan, no?
And we will be deporting 101.
Kailan, sir?
On the 18th.
101,
September.
100 month
The missions, yes.
Ano yan? Are these funded by the Philippine government or jointly with the
Jointly with the Chinese embassy.
Are they now part of the red list on both sides, Philippines and the Chinese?
Yeah, once you are deported, actually nasa list ka na po. And they will be investigated once they reach the China or their involvement in scamming activities.
O tsaka yung bawal sa China, gambling.
Yeah, totoo po yun. Bawal po sa China talaga.
So
they will be investigated and kukulong muna po sila. Pwede po natin sabihin na halos wala na po. And karamihan sa kanila is on the run. And some of them are ang ginagawa na lang po nila is pasampu-sampu, palabing 5, 20, 50.
Mga Pinoy na mismo, di ba?
Yeah, karamihan po Pinoy and yung mga nagpapatakbo po are mga Chinese nationals o foreign nationals na hindi po kasama dun sa grupo, hiwalay po. That's their latest modus operandi na nakapasa namin. Yung working area, lumalabas po sila doon. Remotely, they are supervising it. But, natutuklasan pa rin po.
You mean pag-remotely sa China?
No, it's somewhere else. It's the area, para kung ma-raid man yun, hindi po sila kasama.
May safety bulb sila.
Yeah, may safety.
Galing sila mga momo.
And yun nga, now they're using, instead of desktops and Wi-Fi's, now they're just using pocket Wi-Fi's and laptop.
Para di ma-detect.
Tsaka, if ever there will be raid, titiklopin lang nila yung laptop, then dala-dala nila yung Wi-Fi, hindi mapuputol yung transaction.